Pastry's Culinary. Hi guys, good day. Chef Ben again. The last video, we talked about the sweet tartlet shell. And I gave you all the procedures from the start, step by step. By the way, before I forget, I would like to thank all of my subscribers because if not for you guys, I would not be reaching the requirements of the YouTube for monetization. So from the bottom of my heart, thank you very much. Today we will finish assembling our fruit tartlet. But before that, we will first make a pastry cream to use as filling of the tartlet. And then we'll top it with some fruits. I'll be using today mangoes. I'll be making mango balls and mango fan. And then I'll be adding orange segments and of course grapes. I'll be for anything else. For first timer in our channel. After watching the video, please subscribe. And also, don't forget to hit that like button as well as the notification bells so that you'll be notified in the next uploading of the videos. And also, don't forget to comment because I will base on your comment. Should I be making upgrading or shall I be making some more improvements in my videos? Okay, so without further ado, let's start now with our pastry cream. And our ingredients are 1 cup milk, sugar is 1/4 cup and 1/8 cup combined, 4 pieces medium egg yolks, 1/4 cup cornstarch, 1 pinch of salt, and 1/4 cup whipped cream. Okay, we'll just have to put all the ingredients in a bowl on top of the boiler. The milk is there, the sugar is there, the cornstarch is there, and then the egg yolks are there still also. You just have to stir it. The salt, and then we'll add a teaspoon of vanilla for flavor. We'll wait for this to get thick. And then we will be adding our butter. Now it's starting to get thick. Then we will add our butter. So the butter is there. We just have to stir it. And then we will just let this cool. And then we will be adding our whipped cream. This is for our pastry cream. And then we'll just let it cool before we add our whipped cream. Okay, now we will fold the whipped cream. Up. Then so this is our pastry cream. Now, pastry bag, we use the pastry bag with the pastry tip You just have to put a piece of it inside, and then you have to twist it so that it will be tight. You need the grass. Then you put your pastry bag on the grass. To get sun. Okay. And then hold it this way, then twist. Okay, that's it. So the right hand would press, the left hand would guide. So guys, that is our fruit tartlet. Feel free to add any fruit that is available. You can add pineapple, you can add melon, you can add banana, you can even add fruit cocktail, the canned fruit, or some peaches. Feel free to change the toppings. If you want, you can also use buko. So guys, by this time, it is time for you guys to hit our subscribe button, our like button, as well as the notification bell. And again, don't forget to comment. So, thank you for watching. See you next video. I'll be showing you how to make a savory crust. And we'll be making an appetizer tart. It is called quiche. So, see you next video. This is Chef Ben Casabon, signing off. And God bless us all.